So now I want to talk about something every YouTuber thinks about: the algorithm. You hear people say the algorithm is not showing my videos. You hear YouTube is not recommending my content. You hear my channel is dead. But what exactly is the YouTube algorithm? Is it something working against small creators? Is there a secret button that makes a video go viral? Or is the system actually much simpler than we think? So I want to talk about how YouTube recommendations work, what signal matter, what creators should focus on, and most importantly, why you should stop being afraid algorithm. Because if you understand your audience, you can start making better decisions. And before we start, tell me in the comments also, you can tell me how long have you been creating on YouTube? 1 month, 1 year, or have you been watching YouTube for years but still started? First, let's clear up one important misunderstanding. When people say the YouTube algorithm, they often imagine one giant system deciding whether your video succeeds or fails. But YouTube has different recommendation system and surfaces. There is the homepage, suggested videos, search, short feeds. There are subscription feeds and notification. Different parts of YouTube can behave differently. So don't look at one video and say the algorithm hates my channel. Maybe that particular video simply didn't connect with the viewers who saw it. Hello. Important difference: the algorithm isn't it's basically trying to match viewers with videos they are likely to enjoy. Think about yourself as a viewer. When you open YouTube, you don't want YouTube to show you random videos. You want things you're interested in. If you watch travel videos, YouTube learns from that. If you watch technology videos, it learns from that. The system is trying to predict what each viewers want to watch next, and that gives us our first big lesson: don't create for algorithm, create for a real viewer. Let's talk about something creators obsess over: the thumbnail. Thumbnail is important, the title is important, because they help a viewer decide whether to click. But getting the click isn't the entire game. Imagine the imagine I upload hi hello. So imagine if I upload a video with an uncredible thumbnail. Millions of people see it, everyone clicks, but after 10 seconds everyone leaves because the video isn't what the thumbnail promised. That's not a successful video. The click got the viewer through the door, The content has to make them want to stay. Yeah, thank you, my friend. Thank you from watching from Indonesia. So think about your video as a promise. The thumbnail says this is what you are going to see. The title says this is why you might care. And the video says now let me deliver what I promise. That's why misleading thumbnails might get attention temporarily, but they don't build a strong audience. Your goal isn't simply to get clicks. Your goal is to get the right clicks from people who actually want your content. YouTube doesn't simply ask did somebody click. It also looks at what happened after the click. Do people continue watching? Do they leave immediately? Do they watch another video? Do they return to the channel later? Do they enjoy the content? There isn't one magic number that guarantees a video will go viral, and this is where many creators make a mistake. They see someone online saying you need exactly this percentage, or you need exactly this retention. But YouTube is much more complicated than one number. Different videos have different audiences. A 20-second short behaves differently from a 20-minute documentary. A tutorial behaves differently from a live stream. A search video behaves differently. Good morning, from a recommendation video. So don't compare everything using the same rule. Instead, ask, are people enjoying this video compared with my other videos? That's a much more useful question. Have you ever uploaded a video and thought this is my this is my best video and nothing happens? Yeah, brother, you can after you can use the subtitles. I will upload the subtitles and also I will write the description so you can understand better. I'm talking about how the algorithm of YouTube exactly works, how it really works. So then after some time you upload something simple and suddenly the views start climbing. It happens. Sometimes a video finds the right audience later. Maybe the topic becomes relevant. Maybe people start searching for it. Maybe YouTube discovers a group of viewers who really enjoy that type of content. This is why you shouldn't immediately delete every video that starts slowly. A video with low views today doesn't automatically means it worthless. And there's another important lesson: don't judge your entire channel based on only one video. Sorry. You need a collection of experiments. Every upload gives you information. This topic worked, that topic didn't. This thumbnail attract people. People stayed longer when I started the video this way. They left when I started with a long introduction. That's why how you improve. So you don't need to predict the future, you need to learn from the past. So let's talk about the beginning of your video. The first few seconds matter, and I'm not saying you have to scream. You don't need any fake drama. You need a reason for the viewer to continue. Imagine your video is about driving through heavy rain. Don't spend the first minute saying hello guys, welcome to my channel and my name is this and today I'm going there. Instead, show the viewer what they are here for. Heavy rain, the road, the atmosphere, then talk. Give them the experience immediately. The same principle applies to almost every niche. Show show the destination, technology, show the problem, storytelling, start the story, education. If you are making an educational video, so talk about education. Tell people what they are going to learn. The beginning should make the viewer think, okay, I want to see where this goes. Now let's talk about short, my favorite. Short can reach huge number of people very quickly. That's one of the reasons many creators like me also love them. But don't assume that short success automatically means your long videos will perform exactly the same way. There's different viewing experience. Someone scrolling shorts may watch dozens of videos in a few minutes. A person clicking a long form video is making a different commitment. So if you are building a channel, think about what kind of audience you're trying to build. Short can introduce people to your content. Long form videos can give you more time to tell a story. Live stream can allow you to build a relationship with your viewers in a real time. There isn't one correct format. The important thing is understanding what each format is good at, and don't feel that you have to do everything at once. Choose a format, improve it, then expand. Some people always says you have to upload every day, but I don't think the real lesson is simply uploading every day. The bigger lesson is in learning. You can upload every day for a year and never improve, or you can upload while studying your audience and improving your videos. That different. Consistency means you keep creating, you keep experimenting, you keep learning, improving. Maybe your first 50 videos aren't amazing, that's okay. Your first video isn't supposed to be perfect. Your 10th video probably won't be perfect either. If you are keep going, you start understanding your camera, you understand the editing, you understand storytelling, thumbnails, audience. You become a better creator. That's the real value of consistency. So here's something I want every new creator to hear: stop chasing uh, millions of views. But if your entire strategy is I need my next video to go viral, you're going to become frustrated. Instead, ask, can I make my next video 10% better? Maybe the lighting is better, maybe the audio is better, maybe the title is clear, maybe the thumbnail is simpler, maybe your story is more interesting. Small improvements compound, and eventually those small improvements can create a huge difference. You don't build a career from one lucky video. You build it by becoming someone who can repeatedly make videos people want to watch. Just want to say well done on your channel. We are closely watching your success from South Africa. Thank you so much. Thank you so much from watching from South Africa. This is Brazil. Thank you so much for watching from Brazil. Are you feeling? No, I'm living in the Philippines, but I'm from Pakistan. So now let's talk about YouTube Studio. Don't open your analytic only to check whether your views went up. Use analytics to ask questions. Look at your impressions, click through rate, audience retention, traffic sources, returning viewers, and look at which videos brought people to your channel. But don't just look at the numbers. For example, if people aren't clicking, maybe the packaging needs work. If people click but leave immediately, maybe the opening isn't delivering. If people stay but the video isn't reaching many people, maybe the topic has limited demand on, or YouTube hasn't found enough interesting viewers yet. The numbers are clues, they aren't insults. Yeah, the party is at the forum. The best fingerprints. God bless. Thank you so much. So don't look at analytic and say YouTube hates me. Look at them and say what is this teaching me? There's something more valuable than a single viral video. A returning viewer, someone who sees your new upload and thinks, oh, this creator uploaded again, I want to watch. That's an audience, and building that. Glory to be God. Yeah, yes, of course. I'm sorry, I don't understand. I will upload in your language. You don't worry. In language I Brazil, I will add the title from Brazil. Bus demand hippo. Thank you so much. So before we finish this live stream, I want to leave you with one message. If you've been waiting to start your YouTube channel, stop waiting. You don't need the perfect camera, you don't need a perfect studio, you don't need thousands of subscribers, you don't need to know everything about the algorithm. Start with what you have. Your first video might get 10 views, that's okay. Your second might get 5, that's okay. One day you might upload something that reaches hundreds, then thousands, then maybe much more, but you will never know what you're capable. Until next time. Please, before you go, how long did it take before you got monetized? I monetized only in 1 month, 30 days. Greetings from Konoha. I love you, Po. I love you. No, no, don't love me. I'm already married. Just respect me, so I will give you respect back. Mary Grace Canilo. Can you speak Konoha? No, I'm sorry. I cannot speak. I don't know if that Brazilian is still watching or no. Cheers until next time. Wishing everyone a success with their channel. Hola, pessoal, sejam todos muito bem. Vendos a nossa live. Hoje eu quero conversar sobre uma coisa que eu thanks. Don't be able to speak the language of Konoha because it's full of corrupt people. No, corruption is everywhere. Thank you so much for she's my wife, the one she was saying I love you. Mary Grace Canilo. Yeah, she's my wife. If you love me, you also start love my wife. Konoha country is Indonesia. Indonesia is a good country. It's a very. Thank you so much for party hat. Thank you so much for sending me gifts. Thank you so much for sending me gift again. What's live now, friend? I already talk a lot, and I will upload. You can see. Weather is very strong winds, and maybe after some time the rain will start because here typhoon warning also. Oh my, I confuse about the language. I'll take my leave. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Thank you so much. God is great. God is great. Yes, of course, God is great. No doubt. I cannot understand what you are talking about. It's good that the weather is the main thing and means a lot. Yeah, weather is very good. Yeah, of course. Hi. I am not speaker English. No, it's okay. No problem. Hi friend. Hi Paride. So if you cannot speak in English, you can try a Google Translate. So what you want to say, you can say. So now it's time to say goodbye. We'll see you another stream. Thank you so much for